Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Soleha, student number ID 170162261, majoring in Economic Education, and my superior, Dr. Agus Wibowo, SPDI, SPD, MPD, and Professor Dr. Ari Sabtono, SE, MPD. Here I will present my proposal entitled The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education and Creativity on the Entrepreneurial Intention of Hasanul-Libat Background. The Hasanul-Libat Islamic Boarding School does as a curriculum like entrepreneurship education in formal school, but rather focus on self-development based on personal needs. According to the head of Hasanul-Libat Islamic Boarding School, 80% of alumni prefer to work in other fields rather than develop the entrepreneurial skill they have acquired during their education. This raises a question: to what extent the entrepreneurship education provided at the Islamic boarding school has success in shaping the mindset and intention of entrepreneurs in its students, and how studying creativity contributes to strengthening this motivation. Next, research question: does entrepreneurship education have a direct influence on the entrepreneurial intention of students at Islamic boarding school? Next, do creativity have a direct influence on the entrepreneurial intention of students at Islamic boarding school? Last, does entrepreneurship education have a direct effect on entrepreneurial attention, the creativity of students at the Hasanul-Libat Islamic Boarding School? Next, research purpose. Number 1, to determine the direct influence of entrepreneurship education on the entrepreneurial intention of students at the Hasanul-Libat Islamic Boarding School. Number 2, to determine the direct influence of creativity on the entrepreneurial intention of the student at the Hasanul-Libat Islamic Boarding School. Number 3, to determine the indirect influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial intention toward the creativity of students at the Hasanul-Libat Islamic Boarding School. Benefit of research. Number 1, theoretical benefit. This study can enrich academic understanding of how entrepreneurship education combined with creativity development can shape entrepreneurial mindset and intention in Islamic boarding school periods. Thereby contributing to the development of entrepreneurial literature that is more contextual with religious value and traditional education. Number 2, practical benefit. Hasanul-Libat Islamic Boarding School to encourage the effective of entrepreneurship education programs and improve their abilities in facing economic challenges. Next slide, literature review. Entrepreneur Intention, Theory of Land Behavior, Adzen, 1991. Entrepreneurship Education, Human Capital Theory, Bakers, 1964. And Creativity Theory, Guilford, 1967. Previous research. Author is title The Influence of Creativity and Entrepreneurship Education on Entrepreneurial Entrepreneurial Motivation in Male and Student of Darul Islamic Boarding School, Makassar. Result: entrepreneurship and creativity education can interest students in entrepreneurship directly or indirectly through entrepreneurial motivation. Next, Widodo and Surya. Title: The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education and Creativity on Entrepreneurial Intention, a case study in Islamic boarding school period. Result: the entrepreneurship education and the higher the creativity of the student, the stronger the entrepreneurial intention in the Islamic boarding school and Next, author Karenina Aurelia and Eko Puspitawati title The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education, Creativity, and Entrepreneurship Efficiency on Entrepreneurial Attention. Research entrepreneurial attention increase if individuals have good entrepreneurial education, have creativity, and self-confidence in entrepreneurship. And author Putra and Norida Kandasakti titled The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education, Diversity, Intelligence, and Creativity on the Entrepreneurial Intent of FEB UNESA Student. Result intense in entrepreneurship practice if students have good entrepreneurship education, practice spirit, and high creativity. Like from entrepreneurship education has a direct influence on entrepreneurial intention. Creativity has a direct influence on entrepreneurial intention. Entrepreneurship education also has an impact on increasing creativity. Like research methods. Number one, research place and time. Assanuddin Islamic Boarding School, Jalan Kiai Hasyim Asy'ari, RT3 RW1, Taman Fajar Village, Probolinggo District, S. Lampung. Number two, research design. The study has three variable design as the research object, namely entrepreneurial attention as the development variable. The independent variable in this study is entrepreneurship education and creativity. Number three, population ensemble. Studying at Sanadin Islamic Boarding School and 154 students. Number four, data collection technique. Data collection you ask a questionnaire, data with class and SWOT with statement where the alternative answer you ask a lexical. Number five, data analysis techniques. The data analysis technique in this study uses structural equation modeling based on partial squares with the assistance of the SmartPLS application. This method was chosen because it can analyze the relationship between light variables measured by several indicators and can simultaneously test direct and indirect influence without requiring normal data distribution. This concludes my research proposal. I welcome input the suggestion from the examining lecturers to improve and refine this research. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.